Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best Ninja blender is Ninja BL660 Food Processing Blender. The best blenders are also the most versatile. This blender, a cross between a traditional pitcher blender and a personal blender, features an 1100-watt motor and 6 blades that can crush ice and blend frozen cocktails, smoothies, and sauces. It has 3 manual speed settings and a pulse button and is very simple to operate. In addition to the 72-ounce, BPA-free plastic pitcher for large batches, the set includes 2 16-ounce cups with lids for on-the-go, single-serve smoothies. The cups screw onto the motor base, which allows you to use it as a personal blender for making individual batches. When it's time to clean up, everything except for the base is dishwasher safe. If you're new to the world of Ninja blenders, this also includes a 28-page recipe guide to get you started. Professional performance with 3 manual speeds, pulse, and the single-serve function for to-go cups. Chop fresh ingredients evenly without any mush. Effortlessly mince, chop, grind, and blend a variety of ingredients for easy meal preparations and recipes. Number 2 in our side is Ninja BN801 Blender. This kitchen system is a true multitasker, combining a traditional countertop blender, a personal blender for individual drinks, and a food processor all in one. It can crush ice and make milkshakes and cocktails, but it also has 2 24-ounce cups that screw on to make individual smoothies for busy mornings. It also includes a 64-ounce processor bowl for chopping vegetables for salsa, pureeing, and even kneading up to 2 pounds of bread dough with the included dough blade. There are 5 Auto IQ preset programs on the system for making smoothies, crushing ice, making juices, chopping, and kneading dough. Manual controls include low, medium, and high-speed settings, as well as pulsing. The Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system with Auto IQ features a new modern design and more functionality than Ninja's original kitchen system. Ninja Total Crushing Blades give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks with 1,400 peak watts of professional power. The 8-cup precision processor bowl provides precision processing for even chopping and smooth purees. Third in our best Ninja blender list is Ninja BN401 NutriPro Compact Blender. Despite its small size, this 1,000-watt blender is fast and powerful, and it is a favorite of some of our editors. It includes an 18-ounce and a 24-ounce cup with tight-sealing sipping lids, making it ideal for making individual smoothies on the go. Because of the intelligent preset programs, you can simply place your ingredients in the cup, press the button, and walk away. All removable components are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. With 1,100 peak watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. 2 Auto IQ preset programs are uniquely timed for smoothies and crushed ice. Remove the guesswork with easy one-touch results. Unlock hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. By blending whole fruits and vegetables including portions that are usually discarded. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, and more. Blend directly in the 24-ounce single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go. So compact that it fits on any countertop, and has intuitive, easy-to-use controls. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Ninja SS151 Twisty Blender. Ninja's new, innovative blender design includes an integrated twist tamper that pushes ingredients toward the blades for more thorough blending. Its powerful motor, the most powerful in this roundup, can chop up tough ingredients without interrupting the blending process to scrape and stir. The pitcher also has a drizzle cap for adding ingredients while blending. The entire system is very compact, and the pitcher has a 32-ounce capacity, which is sufficient for most batch sizes while remaining ideal for small spaces. It also comes with portable 24-ounce and 18-ounce blender cups. This machine is that there are inconsistencies in its power rating. The brand claims that the base has a peak power of 1,600 watts in some places, but only 1,000 in others. Regardless, it has enough power to handle any job well and is reasonably priced. Blades with hybrid edges assembly blends, chops, and crushes frozen whole fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and ice at high speeds for smoother blends. For thick and even results, twist the tamper to push ingredients down toward the high-speed blades. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Ninja QB1004 Blender. This handy mini appliance can handle everything from frozen blending to meal prep, and is ideal for small kitchens that don't have enough counter space for a full-size blender and food processor. It includes a 48-ounce pitcher for blending drinks, a 40-ounce bowl for food processing tasks such as making salsas, sauces, and smooth purees, and a 16-ounce chopper bowl for chopping vegetables. To keep the containers from sliding around on the counter while in use, they all have non-slip bases. 2 storage lids are included, allowing food to be prepared ahead of time and refrigerated until needed. In contrast to blenders with a large motor base, this set has an interchangeable 450-watt power pod that sits on top of each container. For easy pulsing and blending, one large button turns the power pod on and off. The Ninja Master Prep Professional handles all of your chopping, food processing, and blending needs in 3 conveniently sized jars, great for personal servings or for entertaining. Put the power in the palm of your hand with the versatile Master Prep Professional, which crushes ice into snow in seconds, blends frozen fruits into creamy smoothies, and chops fresh ingredients evenly.